Good afternoon, young man. You know, sir, I need to speak to Mother Gungo.
Yes, my lion, you're at the right place, madam. Just straight ahead. Can't miss it. Yeah, man. Right, straight ahead. Boy. Mother Gungo can't tell me nothing, you know. She make 25,000 already, you know. And see she have another year that there. 25,000 more again, you know. She can't tell me nothing like what she tell me down a Montego Bay last week, you know. What a thing, boy, I never know a Rasta man go Obeah woman. Wait, look more, she can't tell me nothing.
Stop right this one, my brother. Stop right this one. Oh my God. Spin a road, spin a road, spin a road. Stop. Yes, come inside. God. Look how you look tired, my brother. Look how you look tired. Oh
Tired and frustrated, Mother Gungo.
Stand up there, sir. Stand up there, sir. Oh my God.
Go free me up, Mother Gungo. Free me. Free my Mother Gungo. Free me, Mother Gungo.
Freedom.
More you free me out of the Babylon.
Freedom. I went call the doctor now for inject you see. You will get some medicine inside of you. You won't feel it, but the doctor is here beside you. You cannot see, but
I will feel.
The doctor is here.
I will feel.
He's gonna give you some medicine in your body now.
Yes, Mother Gungo.
So Dr. Carmen, I would like you to inject this young man for me, please. Yes, work it out. You finish. Alright. We are going to give you surgery too, you see? We are going to give you surgery. You won't feel anything because you cannot see surgery. Yeah, me know you're a Rasta.
Surgery.
You don't know. Alright, the mother is here.
Yes, Mother Gungo. I feel the Mother Gungo.
Anquelos. I want you to give this man a surgery right now. Take out all of the bad things then that them put in him.
Take it out, Mother Gungo.
Won't you help me sing Bamali? These songs of freedom. Free the Rasta man. Free him right now. Free him.
Mother Gungo.
I can't feel this one. The spirit is a heavy spirit them put. You know say it's a Indian spirit them put in you.
And you are Indian take it out. Take it out, Mother Gungo. Lick it out, Mother Gungo.
It's the right place you come. You know say if you never come, you're that dead already.
Me dead as neat, Mother Gungo, as neat.
You come quick.
Me come quick.
All
Thank you, Mother
Gungo. Give you some medicine.
Look how me set, Mother Gungo.
So,
because this what you have for me.
You just give me some money, okay?
I have the money for you, Mother Gungo. I have the money for you. Look how me set, Mother Gungo.
Yes.
Follow me.
And I'm gonna send a spirit with you.
Yes,
Mother. To guide you.
Guidance spirit.
Alright?
Yes, Mother Gungo.
In name Kwansha. Okay?
Yes, Mother Gungo.
So don't worry, you are well protected now. And when you come back, I'm gonna give you a back line. It is a guard. You see, anywhere you go, you put it in your pocket. You hear what me say?
Front or back, Mother
Anyone.
Anyone?
Anyone. Nobody can touch you. Alright.
Thank you, Mother Gungo.
Give me the money now. You just give me it here.
Alright, Mother Gungo. Me have some good. You're nice, my Mother Gungo. You're good to my man. You're a good woman to my man. Alright, Mother Gungo. Yes, Mother Gungo. Wash my troubles, Mother Gungo.
Spin around me, brother.
Say, wash my troubles, Mother Gungo. Wash it off for me, Mother Gungo.
Alright,
wash
stop
it
now.
Yes,
alright, you may go through the door.
Thank you, Mother
Gungo. Walk good. And come back to me in 1 day time.
1 day time, Mother Gungo?
Yes, and make sure you carry 50 more.
50 more?
Yes.
50 more what?
$1,000.
Jesus, God, Mother Gungo. You set me for a thief now, Mother Gungo. Lean into me, no, Mother Gungo.
But me have to help you. Me have to give you the next medicine. You don't understand about this thing. You have to get that to cure yourself complete. So you have to come back in 1 day time.
1 day time?
Yeah, and bring 50 more thousand.
And 50 more thousand, yes. Mother Gungo. Yes. Alright, Mother Gungo.
Wow, good, my son. I can feel that Bob Marley just said that. Bob Marley. Won't you help me sing?
And my glasses are apart.
These songs of freedom. Won't you for them fully. But them a go all this a Rasta man, but him a go Obeah man. Yes, she came to me and said, Lord, Mother Gungo, we have one pitney for the man and the man now look after him. And me said, don't worry, me dear. You know Mother Gungo will always be here for you. So I just give her the no bun powder. And straight away, in 1 day's time, the woman come back. And Lord, it seemed like she turned queen now. Everything start happening to fear. Yes, I am Mother Gungo and I will always be here. Yes, for anybody who need Mother Gungo, just call me on this number. 555-5555. Yes. Always. Oh, police come on me yard. Never call them. Whoa. But I go and make him walk and suffer. And for all of the good police them, they will live long. For I am the only one. Anquelos, we gonna make him punish. We gonna make him walk and eat out a garbage pan. For it is I, Mother Gungo, who have the strongest power of all police soldier. Yes, I go and make him walk and he thought that every garbage pan. I can feel it, I can feel the spirit right now. Anquelos, take him away. Take him away. Don't let him come back to this yard or any other else yard, for he shall perish. Perish and suffer in the midst of the serpent. I am the only one. Mother Gungo. Good police shall live. Bad police